In this tutorial, I'll show you how to host a Hulu Watch Party so you can enjoy your favorite shows with friends remotely. Let's get started. Hulu doesn't have a built-in watch party feature like some other streaming services, but you can use third-party tools like Teleparty, formerly Netflix Party, for synchronized viewing. Start by ensuring everyone in your group has a Hulu subscription. Choose the show or movie you want to watch and start playing it on your browser. Teleparty works only with Chrome. Next, install the Teleparty extension from the Chrome Web Store. Launch the extension, create a party room, and share the link with your friends. Everyone will need to log into their Hulu accounts and manually sync playback using Teleparty's chat and controls. For an alternative, consider screen sharing apps like Zoom or Discord, where you can stream Hulu content live to your group. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Hulu Watch Party.